To fix this problem, what you have to do is to head straight to your phone and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it to open it. And now what you have to do when you get to your phone settings is to tap on apps and notifications. So tap on it to open it, and after that you're going to see that it's loading over here. So let's wait as it's loading. And after loading, tap on see your apps when it appears and wait for it to load again. As you can see, it's loading over here in the app info. So after loading, you're going to see all your app listed over here alphabetically. So as you can see, it have been listed alphabetically over here. So what we are going to search for is Boomplay. So when you find the Boomplay, just tap on the Boomplay and you're going to see this. So when you get to this section, tap on the notification, and make sure the show notification is toggled on. Now go back and tap on the force stop, then you tap on OK. Tap on the permissions and make sure every permission is allowed over here. So after allowing every permission, what you have to do is to go back to storage and cache, tap on it, and after that tap on clear cache. Then after clearing the cache, go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is toggled on. So after doing this, what you have to do is to go back and go to your phone menu again and try to search for Google Play Store. So when you find Google Play Store, just tap on it to open it and try to search for Boomplay app. When it appears, just tap on it, and after that, what you have going to see is this. So what you have to do is to tap on update over here to get the latest update of this app. After doing this, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, and you're going to see restart. So just tap on the restart button. If you can't find restart, just tap on reboot. It's all the same process. Then you tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.